I am Patricia Dumlao from BSN 11.
Good day, I am Shamel B. Tobias from BSN 11.
I'm Hannah Joyce A. Bulacan, a student from BSN 1-1.
Good day, I'm Charles Raven Laurente.
Good day to everyone. My name is Carlos Jose Tadeo from Bachelor of Science Nursing 1-1.
So for the content of our presentation entitled Vitamins, we're going to be talking about the fat-soluble vitamins such as the vitamins A, D, E, and K or added, and also the water-soluble vitamins which consists of the B-complex vitamins and the vitamin C. Fun fact, did you know that the word vitamin is a combination of the words vital and amine? So when vitamins were first discovered in the early 1900s, they were thought to be amines, which are organic compounds containing nitrogen that were vital for life. Although some vitamins are indeed amines, not all of them are, but the name is still used up until today. So let me just tell you a brief history of vitamins. So the story of vitamins dates back to 18th century. In 1912, Sir H.G. Hopkins or Sir Frederick Gowland Hopkins first identified vitamins in milk and named it as accessory factors, and later on it was named by Casimir Funk as vitamins or vital amines because vitamins are required for life and were originally thought to be amines, but later on it was found to be that the vitamins are not only made up of amines, it can also be made from other compound. Thus the letter E was dropped and the term is said to be vitamins without the letter E and is still used up until today. So now that we are done with the history of vitamins, let us now dive into the definition of vitamins and its types. Vitamins are essential nutrients that our bodies require to maintain overall health. They play a crucial role in various bodily functions such as immune system support, bone health, and energy production. So there are two types of vitamins such as the fat-soluble and the water-soluble vitamins, and they can be found in a variety of foods including fruits, vegetables, and meats, and we can also obtain them from synthetic vitamins. So vitamins are organic components in food that are needed in very small amounts. However, they are nutrients in our body that does not make on its own. Thus, we must obtain them from the foods we eat or via vitamin supplements. So they are essential for regulating our metabolism. They assist enzymes and other biological factors that release energy from carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, which means that they are coenzymes and also promote growth and reproduction. However, they do not yield energy when broken down, and they are vital for life processes because vitamin absence results in deficiency caused diseases. So since only a few vitamins can be stored, a lack of vitamins quickly leads to deficiency diseases, hypovitaminosis or avitaminosis, and an overdose of vitamins leads to hypervitaminosis. Fat-soluble vitamins are vitamins that are absorbed and stored in the fat tissue in our body. So there are 4 fat-soluble vitamins such as the vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. So because fat is easily stored in our body, fat-soluble vitamins can be stored within our fat. So this means that they can accumulate and be saved for later use. These vitamins are important for bodily functions such as vision, for vitamin A, bone health for vitamin D, immune system function for vitamin E, and blood clotting for vitamin K. Because these vitamins can be stored in the body, it is possible to consume too much of them, which can lead to toxicity. Therefore, it is important to follow the recommended daily intake levels for these vitamins and to talk to a healthcare professional before taking any supplements. So, food sources of fat-soluble vitamins include fatty fish, liver, egg yolks, and certain vegetables. It is important to consume a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods in order to get enough of these vitamins. So we can also obtain them from supplement vitamins, such as those synthetic ones. So we will be able to have balanced vitamin A in our body to avoid diseases accompanied by deficiency or toxicity of this if it is too much. Now let us dive into vitamin A, retinol. So its function, it is important for eye health, immune function, and skin health. It also helps in maintaining healthy epithelial tissues like those lining the respiratory and digestive tracts. So when it comes to the history, the discovery of vitamin A dates back to the early 20th century when scientists discovered that certain foods could prevent night blindness, which is a disease. And in the 1913, two scientists, Elmer McCollum and Margaret Davis, identified vitamin A as the active ingredient in these foods. So for the deficiency symptoms, night blindness, it is the inability to see clearly in dim light due to a deficiency of vitamin A or to a retinal disorder. And also dry skin, weakened immune system, increased susceptibility to infections. So its food sources, vitamin A can be found in animal products such as liver, eggs, and in dairy, as well as in colorful fruits, vegetables such as sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach, and mangoes. So these are the products that contain vitamin A. First is the beauty bean, which contains 0.2 milligram of vitamin A per serving. It is a coffee drink mix that is said to help you burn fat, boost your metabolism, and make your skin lighter. So second is Sky Flakes, which contains 49.4 international unit of vitamin A per serving. Third is Cheese Whiz, which contains 240 microgram of vitamin A per serving. Fourth is Eden cheese, which contains 210 microgram of vitamin A per serving. And last is Piatos cheese flavored potato chips, which contains vitamin A as well. So those are the products rather that contains vitamin A. Now let's proceed to vitamin D, calciferol. So its function, it is important for bone health, immune function, and calcium absorption. So vitamin D can be synthesized by humans in the epidermis of the skin upon exposure to ultraviolet radiation from sunlight, or it can be obtained from our diet. So vitamin D works hand in hand with calcium, and neither can work alone. So vitamin D deficiency can result to weakened bones. So for the history of vitamin D was first discovered in the early 20th century when scientists were studying rickets, which is a disease that causes softening and weakening of bones. They found that exposing children to sunlight helped to prevent and cure the disease. So the three scientists are Elmer Werner McCollum, Harry Steenbock, and Adolf Windows. So for the deficiency symptoms, rickets in children, osteomalacia, which is the softening of bones, increased risk of fractures and osteoporosis. So for the food sources, we can obtain them from fatty fish, egg yolks, fortified dairy products, mushrooms, and also exposure to sunlight is also a source of vitamin D, like what I've said earlier. So these are the products that contain vitamin D. So first is the Bear Brand Adult Plus powdered milk drink, which contains 200 international unit of vitamin D per serving. Second is cholecalciferol film-coated tablet, which contains 1,000 international unit, equivalent to 25 microgram of vitamin D per tablet. Third is pineapple tang juice, which contains 1.5 microgram of vitamin D per serving. Fourth is 555 sardines in tomato sauce, which contains 142% of vitamin D per percentage of recommended energy and nutrient intake, or RENI or RENI. So fifth is Madras curry powder, which also contains vitamin D. So that's it for my presentations, and Hannah Joyce Bulacan will take it away.
So for the next one, we will talk about vitamin E. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin that acts as a powerful antioxidant in the body, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. It plays a critical role in various physiological processes, including immune function, cell signaling, and gene expression. Vitamin E can be obtained from a variety of food sources, with the most common being plant-based oils such as sunflower, safflower, and other sources include nuts and seeds such as almonds, hazelnuts, and sunflower seeds, as well as leafy green vegetables, fortified cereals, and some fruits. So vitamin E has been associated with numerous health benefits. Its antioxidant properties may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cardiovascular disease by preventing the oxidation of LDL or low-density lipoprotein. So in conclusion, vitamin E is a crucial nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining good health. Its antioxidant properties, immune boosting effects, and potential benefits for cardiovascular health, skin health, and eye health make it valuable nutrient. However, it's important to obtain vitamin E from food sources and to be cautious with supplementation, as excessive intake of vitamin E may indicate also diseases. So for the next slides is we are going to see, or we are going to look at the products that we have collected that has a vitamin E.
Blue Diamond Almonds, Tocovid Suprabio, Nourishing Night Oil enriched with vitamin E, Myra Dietary Supplement, Alpha Tocopherol Myra E.
Next vitamin to vitamin A is the vitamin K. So vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. It was discovered in the early 20th century when researchers were investigating the cause of a bleeding disorder in chickens. Since then, our understanding in vitamin K has expanded, revealing its importance in various physiological processes. So the functions of vitamin K is number one, for blood clotting. One of the primary roles of vitamin K is its involvement in blood clotting, also known as coagulation. Next is for the bone health. Vitamin K also plays a role in bone health. It helps activate a protein called osteocalcin, which is responsible for binding calcium and other minerals to bone matrix, thus promoting bone mineralization. So next is for the cardiovascular health. Emerging research suggests that vitamin K may have a role in cardiovascular health. So vitamin K has also deficiency and toxicity. So vitamin K deficiency is rare but can occur in certain conditions such as newborns, people with malabsorption issues, or those taking certain medications that interfere with vitamin K metabolism. Symptoms of vitamin K deficiency may include easy bruising, excessive bleeding, and poor bone health. Excessive vitamin K intake may interfere with the effects of blood thinning medications such as warfarin, and can cause symptoms such as vomiting and jaundice. So vitamin K is an essential nutrient that plays a critical role in blood clotting, bone health, and potentially cardiovascular health. It is obtained in the dietary sources and can be found in different forms. And while vitamin K deficiency is rare, it can cause health issues, and vitamin K toxicity is also uncommon but can occur with excessive supplementation. Further research is needed to fully understand the mechanism and benefits of vitamin K in human health. So in the next slide, we will show you the products that we have collected that has vitamin K. So these are the examples. Okay, so for the last one, we will talk about the water-soluble vitamins. So there are 9 water-soluble vitamins. It includes the vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B5, vitamin B6, B7, B9, B12, and vitamin C. So water-soluble vitamins are essential nutrients that are required for various physiological processes in the body. They are easily dissolved in water, not stored in the body to a significant extent, and are sensitive to heat, light, and air. They can be obtained from a wide range of food sources and play important roles in energy metabolism, protein synthesis, DNA synthesis, and nerve function. So DNA deficiencies in water-soluble vitamins can lead to various health problems, highlighting the importance of regular intake through a balanced diet. Proper understanding of water-soluble vitamin is crucial for maintaining optimal health and preventing deficiency diseases. So that what defines water-soluble and how important it is.
The B-complex vitamins are a group of 8 water-soluble vitamins that play important roles in the body's metabolism. Each vitamin in the B-complex has a unique function, but overall, they help the body to convert food into energy, support healthy brain function and mood, and help maintain healthy skin, hair, and nails. Vitamin B complex refers to a group of water-soluble vitamins that play important roles in various physiological processes in the body. The B vitamins are essential nutrients that are required in small amounts for the proper functioning of the body's metabolism, nervous system, and energy production. B vitamins are often found together in foods, and they work synergistically to support various biochemical processes in the body. They are important for maintaining overall health, including energy production, nervous system function, brain health, and cell metabolism. Some sources of B-complex vitamins include whole grains, legumes, eggs, dairy products, meat, fish, leafy green vegetables, and nuts. It is important to note that B-complex vitamins are water-soluble, which means they are not stored in the body and need to be replenished regularly through a balanced diet or supplements. Now, for the vitamin B1, history, thiamine, discovered by Casimir Funk in 1912. Funk was studying beriberi, a disease that was prevalent in Asia and caused by a deficiency of thiamine in the diet. He discovered a substance in rice husks that cured beriberi, and he named it vitamin, later to change vitamin, because he believed that it was an essential amine. Deficiency of thiamine can lead to beriberi, a disease that affects the nervous system, heart, and muscles. Symptoms of thiamine deficiency include fatigue, muscle weakness, loss of appetite, irritability, and confusion. Function helps convert food into energy and supports nerve function. The examples of vitamin B1 that are found in food are Bear Brand milk, Provinerve, overmilled rice, potato corner, sour cream and onion seasoning, and Vitamilk. Now, for the vitamin B2, history of riboflavin. Discovered by Richard Kuhn in 1933, Kuhn used chromatography to isolate the yellow pigment in milk and discovered that it was a B vitamin. He named it lactoflavin because it was found in milk, but later it was renamed riboflavin. Deficiency of riboflavin can lead to a condition called riboflavinosis, which causes sore throat, swollen tongue, skin lesions, and cracks at the corners of the mouth. And other symptoms include eye fatigue, sensitivity to light, and itching or burning of the eyes. Function: helps convert food into energy and support healthy skin and eyes. The examples of the vitamin B2 that are found in food are Cocoa Crunch, Dutch Mill Delight, Alaska powdered milk, cheesy, and powdered milk.
Okay, so now we have some basic information regarding the vitamin B3, also known as niacin. So it was discovered by Conrad Alvegem in 1937. Alvegem was studying the cause of pellagra, a disease that was prevalent in the southern United States and caused by a deficiency of niacin in the diet. He found that niacin cured the disease and he named it pellagra preventing factor. So the deficiency of niacin can lead to pellagra, as stated, a disease that causes skin rashes, digestive problems, and mental confusion. Symptoms of pellagra include diarrhea, dermatitis, dementia, and even death if left untreated. So what is the function of vitamin B3? So it helps convert food into energy, supports healthy skin and nerves. Additionally, it is also essential for the metabolism of amino acids and the synthesis of neurotransmitters, including acetylcholine, which is important for memory and cognition. So we have some products that has niacin. So first product we have is Gardenia, which contains 10% niacin per serving. Next is Total White Underarm Cream. In its ingredients, you can find vitamin B3. Then we have this product. Then we have Blue, which has 15%. 15% vitamin B3 per serving. And then we also have this product, Blue Zero. So next up we have vitamin B5, also known as the pantothenic acid. So it was discovered by Roger Williams in 1933. Williams was studying the effects of a deficiency of vitamin B1 in rats when he discovered a new substance that prevented their growth failure. He named it pantothenic acid because it was found in many foods. So the deficiency of pantothenic acid is rare, but it can cause fatigue, depression, irritability, and digestive problems. So the function of pantothenic acid is it helps convert food into energy, again, supports healthy skin and nervous system as well. Moreover, pantothenic acid is involved in the metabolism of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, and is important for energy production. It is also essential for the production of coenzyme A, which is involved in many metabolic processes in the body, including the synthesis of fatty acids, cholesterol, and steroid hormones. So we have a couple of products that have vitamin B5. So Nestagro, which has 1.3 milligrams of pantothenic acid per serving. We have Birch Tree Adult Boost, which has again 1.3 milligrams of pantothenic acid per serving. And then we have a couple more products, Alanerve, we have Smart C, and we have Nervex. So moving on, the next vitamin is vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine. So it was discovered by Paul Gyorgy in 1938. Gyorgy was studying the cause of a skin disease in rats when he discovered a substance that cured it. He named it pyridoxine because it was a pyridine derivative. So the deficiency of pyridoxine can lead to anemia, dermatitis, and neurological symptoms such as seizures, depression, and confusion. So the basic function of vitamin B6 is that it helps convert food into energy, once again, supports healthy brain function and mood. And then other functions include it plays a role in the metabolism of amino acids and is essential for the production of transmitters including serotonin, dopamine, and GABA. It also supports the immune system and is important for maintaining healthy skin, hair, and eyes. So after that, we have a couple of products containing vitamin B6. So Bear Brand sterilized 200 milliliter full cream milk. It contains about 1.03 per milligrams of vitamin B6 per serving. Then we have Milo, which contains about pantothenic acid. So it contains 6.35 or 56% per pack. And then a couple more products. So next we have biotin, also known as vitamin B7, which was also discovered by Paul Gyorgy in 1936. So Gyorgy was studying the cause of egg white injury syndrome in chickens when he discovered a substance that prevented the syndrome. He named it biotin because it was found in egg yolk. So the deficiency of biotin is rare, but it can cause skin rashes, hair loss, and neurological symptoms such as depression and lethargy. So the basic function of biotin is supports healthy skin and hair, as well as it helps convert food into energy. Other functions include it is also essential for the synthesis of fatty acids and glucose, as well as and it is also important for energy production. So we have a couple of products containing biotin. So we have biotin gummy bears, supports healthy skin, hair, and nails. So it contains 10,000 micrograms per serving. And then we have Neocell Super Collagen Vitamin C and biotin. So we can see here that biotin is very important in terms of taking care of your skin and your hair. So yeah, biotin 5,000 micrograms per serving, and biotin gummies. So that'll be it for my part.
And next, we're going to talk about the vitamin B9, which is the folic acid. It was discovered by Lucy Wills in 1933. Wills was studying the cause of anemia in pregnant women when in India, she discovered the substance in yeast extract that cured the anemia. She named it Wills factor, and later it was renamed folic acid. So deficiency of folic acid can lead to anemia, birth defects, and increase of heart disease and certain cancers. So symptoms of folic acid's deficiency includes fatigue, weakness, and irritability. So function, it helps produce and maintain new cells, support healthy brain function and mood. So here are the examples of vitamin B9 products. First up, VitaBears, ferrous fumarate, food supplement, and product with nutrition fact of B complex and folic acid. Folart, also an food supplement. Another product with vitamin B complex and folic acid. So next up, the cobalamin, which is the B12. It was discovered by George Whipple and William Murphy in 1926. Whipple and Murphy were studying pernicious anemia, a disease that was fatal before the discovery of vitamin B12. They found that liver extract cured the disease and named the active ingredient extrinsic factor. Later, it was renamed cobalamin because it contains cobalt. So the pernicious anemia is a decrease in red blood cells that occur when the intestine cannot properly absorb the vitamin B12. So deficiency of cobalamin can lead to pernicious anemia. It is a condition, like I said, that affects the production of red blood cells. The symptoms of cobalamin deficiency includes fatigue, weakness, pale skin, numbness, and tingling in the hands and feet, and difficulty with balance and coordination. So the function: help produce red blood cells, supports healthy nervous system function. And here are the products with vitamin B12. First, Dutch Mill. Next, Bear Brand. Next, Neurobion. Vitamin B12 with other B complex. And also another vitamin B complex supplement. Next, vitamin C. So vitamin C is the only water-soluble vitamin that is not B complex. So vitamin C is an essential nutrient that is required for the growth, development, and repair of body tissues. So it plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis, which is the main structural protein in the body, and is involved in the wound healing, bone formation, and skin health. Vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the body from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to the development of chronic diseases. Additionally, vitamin C helps boost the immune system and aids in the absorption of iron from plant-based food. So, in history, in 1700s, scurvy, a disease caused by vitamin C deficiency, was a significant problem among sailors on long voyage. In the early 1900s, scientists discovered the vitamin C was the active component in citrus fruits that prevented and cured scurvy. In 1932, Albert Szent-Györgyi, a Hungarian biochemist, isolated and identified vitamin C as an ascorbic acid. So food sources of vitamin C is found in a variety of fruits and vegetables, including citrus fruits, kiwi, strawberries, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and red and green peppers. It is also available in food supplements. Deficiency and toxicity. So vitamin C deficiency can lead to scurvy, a disease characterized by weakness and fatigue, muscle and joint pain, and bleeding gums. Although rare, excess intake of vitamin C can cause gastrointestinal upset, diarrhea, and kidney stones. So here are the products with vitamin C. First, the Beauty White, Agumens Plus, multivitamin supplement, also a multivitamins mineral supplement, Gonzes, and a green peas with vitamin C. So, in summary, vitamins are essential nutrients that our body needs in small amount for various metabolic processes. There are mainly two classified types of vitamins, the fat-soluble and water-soluble vitamins. So, fat-soluble vitamins, which is the A, D, E, and K, are stored in the liver and fatty tissues of the body, while water-soluble vitamins, which is the B complex and the C, cannot be stored and must be replenished regularly. Through diet, vitamins can play a critical role in various physiological functions including vision, bone health, and blood clotting, as well as energy production, immune function, and various metabolic processes. A balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grain, dairy products, meat, and fish can provide the required amount of vitamins. So, adequate vitamins intakes along with regular exercise and healthy lifestyle can help prevent various health problems and promote overall well-being. So, Like there's this one vitamin-like substance. These are the compounds that are not classified as vitamins but have similar function and structures as some vitamins. They include substances such as coenzyme Q10, lipoic acid, and choline. Although not considered essential vitamins, they can still play important roles in maintaining good health.
So we've come to the end point for our report. Next is we will show you the references. Here are the references, the links where we've got the infos or informations about our presentation for today. So before ending our report, we have a funny question here. It says here that why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw salad dressing. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and we hope that you've learned something from it. That concludes our in-depth report on the fascinating world of vitamins, from the essential role they play in maintaining an overall health and well-being, to various types of vitamins and their sources. We have explored the vital role these micronutrients play in our lives. So thank you for joining us and watching this video. Stay healthy, stay informed, and remember to always nourish your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. This is Hannah Joyce Bulacan from BSN 101. Thank you for watching, and God bless.